Hi everyone, this is Josie from firstthecoffee.com. In this stitch tutorial we're going to go over how to do the half double crochet slip stitch. This is a unique stitch. It's probably just a little bit shorter than a single crochet. It's a very dense pattern. It has the same pattern on both sides. And it does give a little bit of a ribbed appearance when you do a bunch of rows back to back. So to start out, you'll need to make a foundation chain, so you'll need to make a slip knot. Your starting foundation chain can be any number of stitches. You'll just want to add one onto the end of that. So I'm going to start out with 11 chains. Okay, and once you have your starting foundation chain, you're going to want to start off with the second chain from your hook. So this is the first chain, and that's the second chain. You're going to want to yarn over just like you would with a half double crochet. Insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over again, and you're going to want to pull this through the chain loop and the 2 loops on your hook. So you come through that chain loop, and then you also want to do both of those loops. So you'll just continue on down the chain, going into the next loop, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again. And one trick that I found with this, instead of going this way with the hook, turn it around towards the back and pull up. It just makes it a little bit easier to get it through those 2 loops that are on your hook. So then just continue to do that down your chain until you reach the last stitch. Okay, once you've created your first row, you're going to want to chain 1, so just yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook, turn your work around. And when you're starting a new row of the half double crochet slip stitch, you don't want to count this as a starting stitch. You're going to start off in the first stitch of the row. So if you're looking from the top, you'll see these V's. Each one of those is a stitch. So just yarn over your hook, insert into that first stitch. So your hook goes in under both of those threads on that V. Yarn over again and pull up through all the loops. Okay, to start with the second stitch, you'll just do the same thing. You're going to want to insert your hook after you yarn over, insert your hook under both of those threads making up that V, yarn over and pull through both loops. And then you'll just do that all the way across your row.